Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to turn your ideas into stunning infographics with Canva in just a few easy steps? Click Create, then type Infographics in the search bar. Let's apply the portrait orientation to our design now. Here we have several templates available. Choose one option that you prefer next. Scroll down to view the modern design and try using this option. This infographic shows how AI works: data collection, processing, learning, and pattern recognition. Train the model and decide outcomes. After finishing your design, save your work to ensure all changes are preserved. Improve the text or details if you have ideas about the data collection. Then try searching for another description here to refine the information. Increase the detail level as needed. Try different templates, add a new page, and explore more design options. Search for other designs by selecting a different topic, like this one here. Here are 5 security tips. You can also check the description for more information. Add a more detailed description here. Edit the text here, then click the Share button. Download and save as PDF for the best print quality. Select both pages before clicking the Download button. Please provide more content to rewrite. Now you know how to create eye-catching infographics in Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy design tips.